It is a class H, the continuation of class 7. We are discussing the problems from the 7.2. The method is substitution method. Already I said that in each and every problem we use the substitution from this exercise. Here 29th is cot log of sin x. We have to find the integral for this. Integral of cot x log of sin x dx. This I am going to write as the integral of log of sin x into cot x dx. Here the log of sin x derivative is cot x. Once if you want you can check. Take that log of sin x is equals to log of sin x is equals to t. Log of sin x is equals to t. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Now the derivative of log of something is 1 by something. Log of something is 1 by something into derivative of that something. 1 by sin x, 1 by sin x into the derivative of sin x is cos x is equal, the derivative of t is dt by dx. Now this one written as cos x by sin x, cot x. I am taking this dx left side, dx is equals to here dt. Now this one will be written as integral of log of sin x means t, cot x dx means that is a dt. It is just like integral of x to the power of n dx. So what we can write? T to the power of 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 plus c. T means log of sin x. So log of sin x whole square divided by 1 plus 1 means 2 plus c. It is the answer of this one. Next, 30th. What is the integral of sin x divided by 1 plus cos x? Integral of sin x divided by 1 plus cos x dx. Here I am going to take the 1 plus cos x is equals to t. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. What is the derivative of 1? 0 minus sin x. So minus sin x. Here the derivative of t is dt by dx. I am taking dx left side is equals to dt. Just take this minus right side. So watch, sin x dx is equal minus dt. Now this one will be written as integral of the denominator 1 plus cos x. The denominator 1 plus cos x, what is that? T. And sin x dx. Sin x dx will be taken as what? Minus dt. Minus dt. So I am taking the minus outside and dt here. Now this is equal minus of integral of 1 by t dt Sorry, once again I wrote. Now this is equal minus of, what is the integral of 1 by t dt log mod t plus c. Now this is equal minus of log, in the place of t, what do you write? 1 plus cos x. It is the answer of this 30th. Pass. Next, the question number 32. That is 1 divided by 1 plus cot x. It is little bit lengthy problem. Just try to understand this. What is the integral of 1 divided by cot x dx? Now I am going to write as the integral of 1 divided by 1 plus cot x means cos x by sin x. Cos x divided by sin x dx. Now take the sin x LCM. So what will get? Sin x plus cos x here in the denominator. This LCM will go up. So what? Sin x dx. Now multiply and divide by 2. The dividing 2 outside and multiplying 2 is inside. Now take this sin x as 2 sin x as sin x plus sin x divided by sin x plus cos x dx. Here in the numerator just add and subtract cos x. So this one will be as 1 by 2 into integral of sin x plus cos x plus sin x minus cos x divided by sin x plus cos x dx. Now I am going to take minus common from these two. So 1 by 2 into integral of sin x plus cos x let's take minus common from the third and fourth terms. What will get? Cos x minus sin x, cos x minus sin x divided by, just take this sin x plus cos x under this separately. So what? Sin x plus cos x, here sin x plus cos x. Sorry, I am taking minus here. Dx. Here sin x plus get cancelled. Sin x plus cos x get cancelled. Now this is equal 1 by 2 into integral of 1 minus cos x minus sin x divided by sin x plus cos x dx. Here there are two terms, take integral separately. 1 by 2 into integral of 1 dx minus integral of cos x minus d sin x divided by sin x plus cos x dx. I said one formula that is very important. What is that means? Integral of f dash of x divided by f of x dx is equal log mod f of x plus c. Here the derivative of denominator is the numerator. In this case the answer will be log of denominator. Just the derivative of sin x plus cos x is cos x minus sin x. So the answer is log of sin x plus cos x. Now this is equal 1 by 2 into the integral of 1 is x minus integral of this one is log of mod denominator sin x plus cos x plus c. It is the answer of this. Otherwise, I will tell the different method for this. If you don't know this formula means, take this as some I1, this as some I2. Here I1 is equal integral of 1 dx is equal, the integral of 1 is x plus some constant 1. Next I2 is equal integral of cos x minus sin x divided by sin x plus cos x dx. Okay, take the denominator as t. Put sin x plus cos x is equals to t. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. What is the derivative of sin x? Cos x. What is the derivative of cos x? Minus sin x dx is equals to dt. Now this I2 will be written as integral of 1 by t sin x plus cos x means t sin x cos x minus sin x dx means that is the dt. So this is equal what we write? Log mod t plus some constant 2. Now that is equal log mod t means sin x plus cos x. Sin x plus cos x plus c2. Here I1 means x plus c1, I2 means log of sin x plus cos x plus c2. Here the answer is 1 by 2 into first answer x plus c1, no need take c1, just take x, enough, minus second answer log of sin x plus cos x Okay, here we have the c1, here we have the c2. Okay, actually by multiplying with 1 by 2 we get the c1 by 2 something you write, no need to write all those, just take plus c, finally it is enough. Now I will tell some examples. These problems not from the exercise, just try to understand these. I am going to do the problems on the formula integral of f dash of x divided by f of x dx is equal log mod f of x plus c. It is very useful formula. Just try to understand. Add an example. What is the integral of cot x dx? Cot x dx. Now this is equal integral of cos x divided by sin x dx. Here the derivative of denominator is sin x. Denominator is sin x. The derivative of denominator is there in the numerator. So if you take sin x as the f of x, cos x will be f dash of x. So from this formula directly what we can write? The answer is log of mod denominator, that is sin x plus c. Okay. Otherwise you can use the substitution. Even also you get that same. If you take sin x is equals to t, constant h. Sin x is equals to t. Sin x is equals to t. By differentiate both sides, what you get? Cos x, derivative of t is dt by dx, dx is equal to dt. So this sin x will become t, cos x dx will become dt. So 1 by t dt you will get, that is a log mod t, that is a log mod sin x plus c. It is a important formula. The integral of f dash of x divided by f of x dx is equal log f of x plus c. Okay, one more example. What is the integral of 3x square divided by 1 plus x cube dx? Here, what is the derivative of 1 plus x cube? 3x square. The derivative of denominator, it is there in the numerator. So, directly what we can write? Log mod 1 plus x cube plus c. Denominator is f of x. Numerator is f dash of x. Directly answer is log of denominator. Okay. Even by using the substitution method also you get the same. Next, third one. What is the integral of 2x divided by 1 plus x square dx? Here, the derivative of denominator. Actually, what is the denominator? 1 plus x square. The derivative of 1 plus x square is 2x. That is the numerator. 2x. So, answer is what? Log of mod 1 plus x square plus c. Next, fourth one. What is the integral of secant square x divided by tan x? Tan x dx. Now, the denominator is tan x. Derivative of denominator is secant square x. So, answer is log of mod tan x plus c. This formula was given in the list 3. Already I sent proof also, but I did not explain. Just remember that formula. On this formula I said these 4 examples. Next, problem number 34. What is the integral of root over tan x divided by sin x cos x dx? I am going to write it as the integral of root over tan x divided by, just multiply divided by cos x. So what? Sin x divided by cos x into cos square x dx. Now this is equal integral of root tan x divided by sin x by cos x means tan x, 1 by cos square x means secant square x dx. I am taking here secant square x dx. Put tan x equals to t. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. The derivative of tan x is secant square x is equal derivative of t with respect to x is dt by dx. I am taking dx here and dt here. Now this is equal integral of root over tan x means t divided by t secant square x dx means dt. Now dt. Now this can be written as root t by t means 1 by root t dt. Now this is equal integral of root t means t power 1 by 2 by taking up t to power of minus 1 by 2 dt. It is just like integral of x to the power of n dx. So t to the power of minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. Here 1 minus 1 by 2 means 1 by 2 means 2 it comes. 1 minus 1 by 2 means 1 by 2. T power 1 by 2 means root t plus c. Here t means tan x. So 2 root over tan x plus c. It is the answer of that 34. Next 36. The question is x plus 1 into x plus log x whole square by x. We have to find the integral for this. Here I am going to arrange. If you want to can arrange, otherwise you can do directly. Here I arrange like this: integral of x plus log x whole square into x plus 1. You can take divided by x dx. Take x plus log x is equals to t. X plus log x is equals to t. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. The derivative of x is 1 plus the derivative of log x is 1 by x is equal the derivative of t is dt by dx. Here I do the left side. Just take the x LCM, so what will get? X plus 1 divided by x dx is equal what? dt. Now this is equal integral of x plus log x t square x plus 1 by x dx. It is dt. It is just like integral of x to the power of n dx. So what we can write? T to the power of 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 plus c is equal. T means x plus log x. Whole cube divided by 3 plus c. It is answer of this 36. Next 37. The question is x cube sin of tan inverse x to the power of 4 divided by 1 plus x to the power of 8. The question is it appears big, but solution is very easy. Integral of x cube into sine of tan inverse x to the power of 4 divided by 1 plus x to the power of 8 dx is equal. Take tan inverse of x to the power of 4 is equals to t. Tan inverse of x to the power of 4 is equals to t. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. What is the derivative of tan inverse x? 1 divided by 1 plus x square. What is the derivative of tan inverse of x to the power of 4? 1 divided by 1 plus x to the power of 4 whole square into derivative of x to the power of 4. What is that? 4x cube is equal. The derivative of t is dt by dx. I am taking dx here. So finally I am going to write it as a x cube divided by 1 plus x to the power of 8 dx is equals to dt by 4. Just write this for right side. Now this is equal integral of sine concentrate sine tan inverse x to the power of 4 means t. Next x cube divided by 1 plus x to the power of 8 to dx. These three terms, x cube divided by 1 plus x to the power of 8 dx, those three terms will become what? dt by 4. I am taking dt here, 4 here. Now this is equal. What is the integral of sin x? Minus cos x plus c. What is the integral of sin t? Minus cos t. So what? 1 by 4 into minus cos t plus c. This is equal minus cos t by 4 plus c. This is equal minus cos t means tan inverse of x to the power of 4 divided by 4 plus c. It is a function of this one. Okay. Here nearly we finished 70% of the exercise. In tomorrow's class we will do the remaining problems. With tomorrow class we finish the exercise 7.2. Please learn the formula of derivatives as well as integrals. Already I have given 3 lists. Just remember all those.